With extremely cold weather approaching, we decided it was a good time to adventure off the beaten path and have some fun. At the time of editing this video, it is now minus 31 Fahrenheit here in Canada. The weather here can be frustrating, but it also makes you extremely grateful for the times you can get out and enjoy the outdoors. What's up, guys? Today we are just going for a little trail run in Wipers again. It's me and the GX470 and then just a stock GX460. We're gonna shoot and then we're going to cook some lunch and stuff. So I'll take you along for the journey. All right, so we made it to the TransAlta Trail. So we're just gonna head down here, do a little exploring, find a place we can shoot, and yeah, have some lunch and just nice chill day, nothing too crazy, I don't think. I tried to drive through a mud bog that had been covered in snow and has not been driven on this year, so that was probably not a great idea, but you get to see A-Track working here in all its wonders. Even on 35s, the snow was so deep that I high centered on the hard pack snow in the middle, and then the tires were digging deep. The snow was probably 2 or 3 feet deep. And slowly A-Track got me backwards, so it's good to know if I was ever by myself. Obviously, I was just having fun in this situation and I was with another vehicle, but if you're ever stuck in a situation like that, airing down your tires can help. Traction boards are really useful in the snow just like they are in the sand. And then, I mean, always travel with a buddy. That's kind of the realistic situation when you're out in the cold and you're out in the wilderness, is going alone can get dangerous really fast. What you cooking today for us, Matt?
Burrito bowls essentially. Veggies, rice,
Nice.
beef.
This is the that bigger new jet boil?
Yeah, jet boil.
Wow. Pretty fancy
Very
stuff.
compact, folds out.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Here, I can hand you the coffee. I guess I'll see if it's hot. That's hot. Everybody to. Oh, I forgot. I get over here. Shredded cheese.
Little Cracker Barrel?
Yeah, Tex-Mex.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Thank
People
you,
might have to sit
sir.
in the cars. What?
Do we have enough plates?
Have a little more meat, sir.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, okay.
Can I have more rations?
Yes. Who do you think you are, Oliver Twist?
Well, yeah, look at my gloves.
Cheer, you.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so we just wrapped up some shooting. Matt made us an awesome lunch, and yeah, I'm just enjoying it in the car because it's freezing outside. And yeah, so here it is. Says it's only -5, but with the wind chill, it's probably closer to -10, -12. But beautiful day. A little cloudy, but overall, holy, you got a meal and a half there, bud. Are you hungry?
Yeah, here.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes, and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go.
February is always a really tough month here in Canada because it's so cold. But there's lots of exciting plans ahead, including some awesome trail runs, and I'm gonna try and include some more cooking segments, maybe some more bushcrafty stuff into these videos. Let me know what you want to see. But thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. It's been quick. My goal is 50,000 for 2022, but I know we can do it.